Hello everyone. In this class I am going to explain you about sound blocks in Scratch Junior. Sound blocks are one of the 6 categories of Scratch Junior blocks and they are color coded green. In this sound blocks we have the first block is pop block. Pop block is used to play a pop sound. For playing the pop sound I am taking a green flag and joining with this pop block to see the functionality of this pop block. Now I am clicking on green flag. See, pop sound is playing here. And the next block we have here is play recorded sound block. By using this block we can play a sound recorded by the user. For that you have to click on this play recorded sound block. Then a small window is displayed on the screen. In this window we have a circled button is used to start the recording and a square button is used to stop the recording, and this triangular button is used to play the recorded sound, and this right mark is used to save the recorded sound. Here I am going to be recorded an audio. Hi, welcome to Saraswati English High School. My name is Kirti. Now I want to listen, is it good or not. I will check by this play button. Hi, welcome to Saraswati English High School. My name is Kirti. It is perfectly good. Now I am saving this video by clicking on this right mark. Now the audio is saved here by number 1. Now I join this with green flag to play this sound on the stage whenever I click on green flag. Now I am clicking on the green flag. Hi, welcome to Saraswati English High School. My name is Kirti. This is how you can record your own voice by using sound blocks in Scratch Junior. And this is all about sound blocks in Scratch Junior. And thank you for watching the video.